When we walk with the Lord in the light of His Word.
Finally, the most awaited program is here. The new season of The World Without End. The new season of The World Without End will be premiered on 20th January 2023.
Sit day and then Sassi Adorso, a war mayimu. No one ya baby antna, say a musia dada, and our court say and see and famau, neho and our better.
Heresies are often deceitful. For bad people usually pretend to be good. Yes. And the ugly people do hide their ugliness by dressing themselves beautifully. What you are saying? Right. Obeya one day essentially miracles beba. And a union would be who say miracle no yeno. And magic.
This program is going to change your life. Watch out for the new season of The World Without End on all our social media handle: Mystery TV, YouTube, Mystery TV, Facebook, Mystery TV, Instagram, Mystery TV, Twitter. Subscribe and follow all our social media platforms that you may not be left out. Note, this program will be hosted by Eja Briefer, formerly of Peace FM Etumu Osun fame. Our guest will be Prophet Abednego of the Kingdom of God Ministry. Sponsors: the Kingdom of God Ministry, Rabboni Spiritual Research and Divine Medical Laboratory, the Kingdom of God Preparatory School, Unity of the Spirit in the Bond of Peace Fellowship, God of Israel Inspirational Research Society, Onyamebachira Prayer Camp, Camp David, the Strong Tower Foundation, Commission on the Right of the Kingdom of God and its Righteousness and Administrative Justice. Watch out for the new season of The World Without End, and you are going to be blessed.